Hello students, so in this video let's learn about transition from London Interbank offered rate LIBOR. So we take house loans, student loans, credit cards and other sorts of loans from different private sector banks. So these loans are given to us with some interest rate. Similarly, even the banks take loan from international banks. So the London Interbank offered rate or LIBOR. So LIBOR is one of the global bank that sets a global benchmark interest rates and gives short-term loans from 1 day to 1 year. Okay, so this LIBOR gives interest rates, loans based on the interest rates, and the interest rates is decided by this LIBOR. Okay, so many private sector banks in India take loan from LIBOR, and LIBOR decide the interest rates based on the market situations. So this LIBOR gives loan up to from 1 day to 1 year. Okay, the maximum period of the loan period of LIBOR is 1 year. Okay, so many private banks in India takes loan from LIBOR and gives us loans. So that means the interest rate that we pay is directly or indirectly related to LIBOR. So in 2012, LIBOR scandal has come to light. LIBOR scandal involved world top financial banks. Some of these large banks have manipulated the interest rates by providing the false data. And this scandal was started from 2003. And in 2012, this scandal has come to light. So it has been said that the 2008 financial crisis was due to this scandal. Okay, so indirectly we are affected. We are the people who pay loans to the private sector banks, and those private sector banks pay interest amount to this LIBOR bank. So indirectly we, the common people, are affected because of this scandal. So let's study more about this one. So there are some international banks which were involved in this scandal and changed the interest rate to make profit out of it. So many private, public banks have come out of this LIBOR. So after this LIBOR scandal has come out, many public and private sector banks has come out of this LIBOR bank. And recently RBI has issued an advisory notice to the banks to finish all the transactions from LIBOR from July 1st. So we have another bank which is called MIFOR, that is Mumbai Interbank Forward Outright Rate. Okay, so this is like the Indian sub branch of LIBOR. So RBI said that MIFOR and LIBOR will be phased out by June 30. So we have to clear all these things from July 1st. Okay, so as LIBOR has phased out, we also have other alternative banks. So LIBOR will be abolished. Unofficially it will be abolished, because even the staff of LIBOR couldn't answer any questions which were posed by the agencies. So this LIBOR has proved as illegal. So this LIBOR will not be working in India, and even this MIFOR also will be not be working. So in this place we have alternative banks also. What are those banks? They are the SOFR, that is US one, that is secured overnight financing rate. Next, European bank is European Interbank offered, that is Euribor. From Japan it is Tokyo Interbank offered rate. From China it is Shanghai Interbank offered rate. And from India it is modified Mumbai Interbank Forward Outright Rate. So these are all the alternatives for LIBOR. Okay, so this is related to LIBOR topic. So we have one private sector body that is formed under the Companies Act. That private sector body is the Financial Benchmark India Private Limited. Okay, so this one was formed under the Companies Act of 2013. And one more interesting thing is it is the private bank. So it is the private limited one, not public. Okay, so it will develop money market, government securities, foreign exchange, and also administer them. It will develop and administer government securities, money market in the international level, as also, and also administer the foreign exchange of India. So this body is called Financial Benchmark India Private Limited. So it is regulated by RBI. And there are two important terms that we need to know. One is financial benchmarking. So it means creating a framework to measure and compare the financial data with other countries. And the second one is over the counter markets. So, or OTC, over the counter markets is also called OTC. So OTC markets are the decentralized trading. That means decentralized means the trade is divided into very small sectors and traded individually. Okay, it is a type of decentralized trading. So it takes place outside major exchanges, so officially it will not be there, but it is a form of small type of trade. So two parties trade, exchange currencies, commodities, etc. without the central exchange. Okay, so it is a form of decentralized market.